Meet Fraud Protector, the all-in-one security engine designed to stop fraud before it hits your bottom line. This module is developed by FMM Modules, a leading PrestaShop development company, having more than 150 modules in its catalog. Let's see what this module can do for you. Supercharge your defense with external AI. Integrate Google Gemini or OpenAI to automatically analyze risk and catch sophisticated threats in real time. Deploy professional protection with normal reCAPTCHA Enterprise, and Have I Been P1 checks to stop automated bots and compromised credentials at the source. Every action is automatically scored from 0 to 100. The module intelligently approves, flags, or generate alerts based on your custom risk thresholds. Go beyond the IP track sessions with hardware fingerprinting, geolocation, and a full event timeline to see exactly how shoppers interact with your store. Now let's look at how this security looks for your customers. FMM Fraud Protector integrates directly into your storefront, allowing you to activate protection exactly where you need it, whether that's the login page, registration page, contact us, or checkout page. First, we have the standard Google reCAPTCHA. It's the familiar "I'm not a robot" checkbox that provides a simple, trusted way to stop automated bots from interacting with your forms. For a more advanced, invisible experience, we've included reCAPTCHA Enterprise. Instead of a checkbox, it uses an invisible score to analyze user behavior. As you can see here, if a session doesn't meet your custom minimum score, in this case, a strict 0.99, the system automatically blocks the attempt to ensure only legitimate users get through. Finally, we help protect your customers from themselves with the Have I Been P1 password check. During registration, the module instantly checks if a password has appeared in known data breaches. If it's compromised, the user is prompted to pick a more secure password, keeping their account and your store safe from credential stuffing attacks. Now we move to the back end to see how you can configure this module. The settings are grouped into clear sections so you can deploy a professional-grade security stack in minutes. At the top, you'll find the threshold settings. This is where you define exactly what risk scores trigger an automatic approval, a manual review, or an instant block. You can also set the data retention period to automatically purge old logs via cron, ensuring your database stays lean and high-performing. Next is the CAPTCHA configuration. You can choose between standard reCAPTCHA V2 or the invisible V3 score, and even set a custom minimum threshold for V3. Below that, simple toggles let you decide exactly where to show these checks, from the login and registration pages to contact forms and checkout. For the highest level of defense, you can enable external AI scoring. Choose between Google Gemini or OpenAI, select your preferred model, and even customize the AI system prompt for tailored analysis. We also include a dedicated section for reCAPTCHA Enterprise. Simply upload your service account JSON to scale up to enterprise-level bot protection. You can get these credentials by visiting the Google Cloud Console. To protect your users from data breaches, enable the Have I Been P1 password check to flag compromised credentials during registration. Finally, configure your notification settings. You can receive instant security alerts via email or SMS through Twilio, ensuring you're always the first to know when a high-risk event is detected. With configuration complete, you can begin assessing threats in real time. The Alerts section serves as your central monitoring hub, displaying every flagged event, from login attempts to order placements, filtered through your custom risk logic. Each alert is clearly labeled with its severity, risk score, and current status, giving you an instant overview of pending threats. Clicking View takes you into the fraud alert details for a comprehensive investigation. In this view, the module provides a clear breakdown of the reasons the alert was triggered, such as local rule violations or external AI scores. You also gain access to critical session and device data, including the unique device fingerprint and IP-based geolocation. From the detail page, you have the power to take immediate action. You can instantly block a malicious user or resolve the alert if the activity is verified. For more complex investigations, the Case Management section allows you to link the alert to an existing case or create a new one, ensuring your security history stays organized and searchable. Moving on to the Cases tab, think of this as your investigation headquarters. Here, you can group related suspicious activities into one organized file, giving you a bird's-eye view of high-priority threats, their reference numbers, and their current resolution status. Opening a specific case reveals a dedicated workspace for your deep dive investigations. You can easily track progress with action buttons to set a case to under review while you analyze the data, or mark it as resolved once the threat has been neutralized. Every case provides a clear audit trail, listing every linked alert so you can see the full scope of the suspicious behavior in one place. To keep your team aligned, the Notes section allows you to maintain a centralized history of findings and internal decisions for every investigation. Finally, we have the Sessions tab, which acts as a master log for every visitor on your store. This high-level view provides immediate visibility into critical data, including IP addresses, city and country geolocation, and device types. You can also see the total number of events recorded and clean chips that link a single session to multiple customer IDs, carts, or orders, helping you spot bot patterns at a glance. Clicking into a session reveals the session details, where you can perform a deep forensic analysis. The Device and IP section provides an exhaustive breakdown, including the unique device fingerprint, ISP, browser, operating system, and even screen resolution. This level of detail is essential for identifying sophisticated fraudsters who try to hide their identity. To give you full context, the Linked Entities section tracks the complete history of every customer or cart associated with that session. This is paired with a real-time events timeline that provides a minute-by-minute audit trail of the user's journey, recording everything from page views to session starts. With this data, you aren't just guessing, you're making informed security decisions based on clear evidence. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to visit us on our website.